Good afternoon and welcome to the new English class in our YouTube channel DBUPS for You. In the last class, we were discussing about a boy. What was his name? Yes, Raja. Then, who are the members in his family? Yes, Raja's grandfather, grandmother and uncle. I believe all of you have gone through the passage and you got many new words and their meanings. Didn't you? Okay, I think all of you are in the preliminary steps for preparing a dictionary. Now, we are going to another incident in Raja's life. All of you know that Raja is very much fond of his grandfather, grandmother, but at the same time he is afraid of his grandfather. Now, look at the textbook. You can see a picture here. Look at the picture carefully. What do you see in that? Raja and his grandfather are in the picture. What are they doing? They are standing under a tree. Then, are they very happy? Look at the picture carefully. Are they very happy? Raja and his grandfather? From the picture, we can see that Raja's face. Raja is very much happy, but his grandfather is not so much happy. Now, let's watch or let's see what's happening there. That's making a shower. Making a shower. It was an evening after a heavy rain. Grandfather was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. The leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. I knew I could make rain if I shook the tree, and grandfather and I would get a good shower. I like bathing in the rain, but he might not like it. But it would be a great fun. So I quietly went near the sandalwood tree and shook it with all my strength. There was a heavy shower and both grandfather and I were soaked. I loved it, but grandfather did not. He turned to me with an angry look. I was sure he would catch me and beat me. So I ran. He ran after me. I ran fast, but he ran faster. He had almost caught me when he stumbled and fell. I ran away to the paddy fields and hid myself there. I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson when I came back home. I did not want to go home because I feared grandfather would beat me. I stayed on in the fields. It was getting dark. I was afraid to stay there alone in the darkness. I remembered all the ghost stories I had heard. I stood up, looked around and then ran towards home. I was still afraid to face grandfather, so I did not go inside the house. I went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. From there, I could see grandfather sitting on the veranda saying his prayers. Grandmother was waiting for me. When I did not turn up, she looked for me everywhere in the house. Then she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. She did not get any answer. Then she went to grandfather and asked him where I was. You look for him in the house, grandfather said. He is hiding somewhere. He is not in the house, grandmother said. I looked for him everywhere. So, I think all of you have got an idea about this incident, aren't you? Look at this picture once again. Then, is this incident clear to you now? Yes. One day, grandfather was standing under a sandalwood tree. Then, Raja went near him, and it was a day or it was a time after heavy rain. Then, what will happen if we stand under a tree after rain? Yes, the tree will rain continuously. That means the water drops fell down from the leaves. Here also, grandfather was standing under the sandalwood tree and Raja was watching that. Then he thought of it. Have you ever did it in your life? Yes, that's a real enjoyment. Here, Raja went near grandfather quietly. That means without making any noise. He went near grandfather and shook the tree. Shook the tree with all his strength. Raja is a small boy and he needs large strength to shake the sandalwood tree. So he used all his strength and shook the tree. Then what will happen? Yes, all the water drops from the leaves fall down. Then grandfather and Raja got a very nice shower. Raja enjoyed it very much. But what about grandfather? Did he enjoy it? No. Grandfather was very much angry. So he turned to Raja in an angry face. Raja was very much afraid, and what did he do? Yes, we all do that when our parents or grandparents come to beat us, all of us will run. Here also, Raja ran away from his grandfather. Then look at the picture once again and go through the passage. All the sentences, all the words are small words or simple words. I believe that all of you can understand the meaning. It was an evening after heavy rain. What was the time? Yes, it was an evening time and it was after a heavy rain. Then what was grandfather doing there? From the second sentence, you can get the answer. Grandfather was picking flowers from jasmine bush. Where was the jasmine bush? Yes, it was under the sandalwood tree. Then what was grandfather doing? Grandfather was picking jasmine from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. The leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. I knew I could make rain if I shook the tree, and grandfather and I would get a good shower. Then Raja was very much confident they will get a good rain if he shake the sandalwood tree. I like bathing in the rain, but he might not like it. But it would be a great fun. He knew that his grandfather won't like it, but he was very much interested to have that fun. So I quietly went near the sandalwood tree and shook it with all my strength. He used all his strength to shake the sandalwood tree. There was a heavy shower and both grandfather and I were soaked. What's soaked? Yes, wet. When the rainfall or when the water drops fall down, grandfather and Raja were soaked. Not shocked, soaked. Means get wet. I loved it. But grandfather did not. He turned to me with an angry look. I was sure he would catch me and beat me. Raja was sure that if grandfather catch him, he will beat him. So I ran. He was sure that grandfather will beat him if he catch him. So he ran. He ran after me. Who? Grandfather. Grandfather ran after Raja. I ran fast but he ran faster. He had almost caught me when he stumbled and fell. Then grandfather was just to catch the boy. At that time, grandfather stumbled and fall down. Then the meaning of the word stumble, you can get it from the glossary. And from the first class itself, I was asking you to refer a dictionary. So please refer dictionary for the difficult words and write all the meanings in your notebooks. Then here grandfather stumbled down, and stumble means to hit your foot against something while walking or running and almost fall. Here grandfather stumbled and fell down. I ran away to the paddy fields and hid myself there. Grandfather was ready to catch him, and at that time grandfather fell down. Then Raja ran away and hid himself in the paddy fields. I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson when I came back home. Then grandfather was sure that Raja can't go anywhere. He will be there in front of their house. So Raja's grandfather told that I will beat you if you come to my home. I will beat you if you come to my home. So Raja heard this, and Raja was very much afraid. So he did not go to the home. I did not want to go home because I feared grandfather would beat me. I stayed on in the fields. It was getting dark. I was afraid to stay there alone in the darkness. Are you afraid of darkness? Yes, most of the children are afraid of darkness. When you are in your house or when you are in your home alone in darkness, sometimes you may be brave. But when you are outside your home, even with your parents, you may feel fear. Here, Raja is a small boy like you, and now he is in the paddy fields all alone. There is no one with him for a support, for a company. So he was very much afraid. And at the same time, something haunted him. What was that? He remembered, Raja remembered all the ghost stories I had heard. Raja remembered all the ghost stories he had heard. I stood up, looked around, and then ran towards home. Raja stood up from the paddy fields. He looked around and then ran towards home. I was still afraid to face grandfather. Raja was afraid of darkness and ran to home, but he did not get the braveness or get the strength to face his grandfather. So he did not enter his house. Then what did he do? I did not go inside the house. I went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. I went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. What is loft? L-O-F-T, loft. Loft is a room or space directly under the roof. So he stood there. From there, I could see grandfather sitting on the veranda saying his prayers. Grandmother was waiting for me. Grandmother was very much fond of Raja, and she was always with him. Have this, eat this, drink this, like that. Then at the afternoon, at the evening time, he went outside with grandfather, but grandfather alone returned. Raja didn't return. So grandmother was waiting for him. When I did not turn up, she looked for me everywhere in the house. There she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. Then at first, Raja's grandmother searched everywhere in the house. Then she came out of the house and called loudly because she thought Raja is hiding somewhere in the garden. She did not get any answer. Then she went to grandfather and asked him where I was. You look for him in the house. grandfather said, he is hiding somewhere. Grandfather said that Raja was hiding somewhere. He may be here in the house. You look for him. Then my grandmother said, he is not in the house. I looked for him everywhere. Grandmother told that he is not in the house. My grandson is not in the house. I looked for him everywhere. So here we can see that Raja is hiding. He can see everyone. He can see his grandfather, grandmother and everyone who is in the veranda. But they can't see him. Then where is Raja hiding? Yes, Raja is hiding in the loft of the cowshed. Now here are some comprehension questions. Then go through the questions. Then go through the passage and write down the answers of all these questions. Now, next step. What will happen when some of us will miss? If you are missing from your home, what will your parents do? Yes, they will search for you. They are your parents, then your neighbors, then all your relatives, then all of us will search for the boy or girl who is missing. Then what is the next step? We searched everywhere but didn't get any idea of the missing child or missing people. What will we do? Then we will give a missing report. Isn't it? Okay. Next is your task to make a news report on the missing case of Raja. How can we make a news report? We have to mention about the boy. What are the things that we have to mention in a news report? We have to mention about the child's age, his appearance, then about his dressing at the time of missing and all that. Then about his talents or any special features in the special marks in his body, like that. Then all of you try to write in your own words the missing report of Raja. Here are some examples for you. Go through these reports and try to make a report in your own words. Raja is missing. All the family members are present there, all their relatives are in the house. Then what happens? The news will spread. When a man is coming to home, when he returns home, he will say to the other person, oh, the Raja, that boy Raja is missing. Then like that the news spreads. Here also Raja's missing news spread. Look at the next picture. Raja is happily spending time in the cowshed with the cows. Now go through this passage. Then grandfather stood up and went outside and called aloud, "Come Raja, come, I won't beat you." But I did not answer him, for I thought that he would beat me. Grandmother was angry and said, "He won't come. You drove him away. I heard you say that you would beat him if he came home. Poor child, he is afraid of you and has run away. Grandfather called the servants and asked them to go out and look for me. They went out, but after a while returned to say that they could not find me. Grandmother started weeping. Grandfather started walking up and down in the courtyard. The news that I was missing spread. Our neighbors came first, then our relatives, and then others who had heard the bad news. Many came to offer their sympathies to grandmother. Grandfather did not like this. He shouted, "Nothing has happened to the boy. He is hiding somewhere. Can't some of you go out and find him instead of wasting your time here?" So Raja's missing news spread everywhere. Then all their neighbors, relatives and all the other people in the village was in their house. All of them were trying to offer their sympathies. That obviously all of us will do. Oh, what a nice boy was he. He was a very good boy. Even though he was very much mischievous, he is a nice boy. He was afraid of his grandfather. Why did that grandfather scold him like that? All of the people will make their own comments. Here also, the people or the relatives and neighbors came near the grandmother and offered sympathy. So what a child, and nowadays there is no surety of getting back such child like that. Then grandfather was very much angry and he shouted, "Why are you wasting time here? Instead of wasting time here, you go outside and search for the boy." Okay, now let's go through the passage once more. Grandfather stood up and went outside and called aloud. Grandfather was very much confident that his boy is outside there, or he is near them. So he went outside and called him loudly, "Come Raja, come, I won't beat you." But Raja heard this because he is at the loft of the cowshed, but he did not reply. He thought grandfather would beat him. Grandmother was angry and said, "He won't come." Grandmother was very much angry towards grandfather because she had heard that grandfather saying that he would beat Raja if he come home. Grandmother was angry and said, "He won't come. You draw him away. I heard you say that you would beat him if he came home. Poor child, he is afraid of you and has run away." What will be the condition of grandfather now? Yes, the grandfather will be very much sad because he scolded the boy. He scolded his own grandchild in his anger. But now he feels very sorry because his grandchild is missing and all of the people, including grandmother, is cursing him. So grandmother called the servants and asked them to go out and look for me. They went out, but after a while returned to say that they could not find me. Could they find the boy? No, they couldn't find the boy because all of the people are wasting time, or all the people are searching for the boy in the field, in the ground, like that. But he is safe in front of the house. The news that I was missing spread. Our neighbors came first, then our relatives, and then others who had heard the bad news. Many came to offer their sympathies to grandmother. Grandfather did not like this. He shouted, "Nothing has happened to the boy. He is hiding somewhere. Can't some of you go out and find him instead of wasting your time here?" He shouted at all the people for wasting time in weeping and offering sympathies to grandmother. He asked all of them to go outside and search for the boy. Now, in this passage, there is not such new words. All the words are familiar to you, and even if you find any word difficult, please refer a dictionary or internet. Then you will be able to find the meaning even in English and in Malayalam. Then write it in your notebooks and be prepared to compile a dictionary after each and every unit. Now, go through the passage once more and answer the comprehension questions given in the textbooks. Like grandmother felt angry with grandfather. Do you support grandmother? Why? Then why did grandfather lose his temper? Grandmother was extremely worried when she knew that Raja was missing. Then in the textbook there is a printing mistake. Then pick out the sentences from the passage which convey this idea. Why did Raja select the loaf of the cowshed as his hiding place? Like that. Go through the passage 1 or 2 or 3 times. Then answer these questions and be prepared to compile a dictionary. Then another task, prepare a news report, missing news report. I think this class was effective and helpful to you. And if you have any comments for improvement, please inform us or please comment after the video. Then please subscribe our channel DVUPS for you, and have a nice day.